It was a beautiful day. I was in my house. My Mino
Heads up, y'all.
was watching the street. Oh, look like he's coming. He's coming over here.
Ready?
Oh, no. What are you doing, sir? Stop it! Stop, sir! I'm your brother. I have something to tell you. I'm your brother. I'm your brother.
Ready?
It's Hey neighbor! Hey! I'm the other neighbor. I'm going to get in your house.
Spider!
I will get in your
Oh,
basement.
are you okay? No, you're not okay.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes. Don't move me. Don't. Step 4. Splitty What's a bunch of keepers? Minecraft, hello neighbor. I'm the neighbor's brother.
Ready?
Called Another. Thanks for neighbor brother. I'm in his house and give him a key to get in this basement and crawl wall and we're just gonna have
Take the heat.
fun.
Ready?
Playing silliness cards.
Ready?
Oh, yes. It's a lever.
No!
No, but in here, the key card is the
That's a
key.
double header.
It's a lever.
Yeah, it's a lever.
Yeah. My other neighbor
Ready?
is still trying to get in my house. I know he won't.
Alright. Coming right now. I shouldn't have told you that.
I'm drinking my milk.
That is not good.
Someone's
Ready?
here.
No, don't hit me. Ah!
Huh? Okay. No, dear.
Ah! That guy needs to lighten up. Ready?
I'm going to the bathroom.
Cantaloupe, no dope.
I'm sorry.
Sweet!
I heard
Sweet like my
a
innards.
noise. I heard a noise.
Ready? Here's the legend.